Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Epson L3116 printer driver, download and install, and how to connect your printer. So first you have to open any browser and Google search box to type like this. Okay, and then you can see the first epsonsco.in. This is official site, so you just click on it. Okay, scroll down, select the operating system. If you are using Windows 10, if not showing here, you just select the Windows 10 64-bit. Okay, if Windows 11 it not show. Okay, so after it again scroll down, again you can see this is the driver and click to download. After the slow down, I agree, slow down, and then you can see the Windows 10 64, Windows 11 64-bit. After that, click to download and it will start downloading. This is 63.2. Okay, just single click to open, then click to yes. After that, this driver extract to your system. If you need to set default, you can check this. If you automatically off software, so you can check, otherwise uncheck it. Then okay, then select the languages which is you required, then click to OK, then agree the term and conditions, then click to OK. Now you can see the printer driver is installing, and connect to your cable to your connect your printer to your laptop via USB printer USB cable, and it will detect automatically. After that, next to install, then restart your system and then check it. If you are facing some issues, so please comment me. I will support.